Alright, just a little update. Here we are. We got the diffs all torn apart, cleaned up. All the diff parts, all the planetary gears, washers and all. Got everything cleaned off with some simple green. Put a light coat of WD-40 on everything and then blew it off. Then now we just have a light coat of silicone spray on everything. We got the shocks all cleaned up. New TLR seals and boots on all four. Waiting on the TLR shock caps to come in. Like I said, it came with all blue springs, and then it also came with this package of black springs. I don't know much on these things. Made by a company called GTB. Only on eBay it says bottom it says hardened springs, so I may try these just to see how they go. But I don't like having no name brand stuff, not knowing what exactly it is or what the spring rate is. So I might just run the blue ones if these don't work out right. But supposedly these are hardened springs for 5T. So we'll see. Like I said, there's no information on here. I scanned the QR code, it takes me to that GTB website. So we'll see. Don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. But so like I said, that's all done. And like I said, just waiting on, I got some 45 weight front and rear shock oil going in these, along with the TLR caps with the bleeder screws on it. So once I get that in, I'll put that all together and we'll be ready to go. That's the gas tank, my old gas tank off my 5B that I'll be using for this. Just had that set over there. And I started, like I said, you can see I've taken the front diff out, and then I've taken the rear diff out. You know, everything's all here, all right here. Now, I didn't get it, but I replaced the rear hubs on both sides with the aluminum. These are aluminum, let's see if I can get a better picture of that. These are aluminum Losi 5T rear hubs. The reason why I did it, because the stock ones, the bearings were all rusted up. I mean, rusted up bad. So I went ahead and took those out. I mean, it was so bad that I couldn't even turn the dog bone. But universals spin good. They came with new bearings. I was supposed to use that kit for the 5B, but you know, nothing wrong with the 5B, so I figured I might as well go ahead and use it on this. But so I got that all done. Everything's ready to go back in here. I got my servos on order, going with the Savox 0235 for the throttle, and I'm going with the high-tech, what is it, the 845. Same thing I had that I bought for the 5B for the throttle actually, but I'm using the high-tech for the steering for this thing. It's like 600 inch ounces of torque. So we'll get that together. Radio for this thing, I haven't decided yet. I have 4 PM that I may be using for this, or I might use my 4PLS receiver and just use it with one of my other 4PLS radios. Just a quick update. Like I said, everything's just ready to go, waiting for some more parts, and you know, see what happens then. All right, man. Crucial RC. I'll holler at you.